In this video, I will share with you my top 3 buy and sell TradingView indicators for 2023 and beyond. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting your journey, these tools will give you an edge in predicting market trends and making smart decisions. So stick around till the end of the video because you're definitely going to want to add these indicators to your trading arsenal. Without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. So on the third place, we've got a tool called the Volume Divergence Indicator. The creator's name is C.A. Tofilum. The Volume Divergence Indicator is a powerful tool that helps traders identify potential price reversals in the market by analyzing volume data. It does this by comparing the direction of the price trend with the direction of the volume trend. The indicator has several features including divergence signals, volume spikes, volume contractions, and volume trend signals. The underlying principle of the VDI is that the volume of trades should generally correlate with the direction of the price movement. That is, in a healthy uptrend, volume should increase as prices rise, signifying growing buyer interest. Similarly, in a healthy downtrend, volume should increase as prices fall, suggesting growing selling pressure. For example, if the price is rising but volume is falling, this is called bearish divergence and can signal that the uptrend is losing momentum and may soon reverse. Conversely, if the price is falling but volume is rising, this is called bullish divergence. It can indicate that the downward trend might soon reverse. However, like all indicators, the VDI is not foolproof and can sometimes produce false signals. Surprisingly, this often happens in a trending market. Therefore, it is most effective when used in conjunction with other tools and trading strategies. I personally like to combine the volume divergence indicator with a machine learning moving average. This MA was created by Ziaman. Once applied to the chart, open the indicator settings and select all historical data. Then enable the machine learning. You can even choose an optimization goal such as performance, win ratio, or both. By the way, you can change the moving average type, but let's just keep them as SMAs. The best time to buy with the strategy is when the slowest SMA is positioned below the fastest SMA. This way we buy in the uptrend and cancel all these fake sell signals. The price position relative to the moving averages does not matter that much. As long as the SMAs confirm the trend, you're good to go. The accuracy of these buy and sell signals is now significantly higher. You can use this strategy for day trading and scalping. The best time frames are 5, 15, and 30 minutes. Alright, let's move on to the next indicator on our list. This script is called the Super Bollinger Trend. It was published by Ziaman. The Super Bollinger Trend indicator is a combination of two popular technical analysis tools, Bollinger Bands and Supertrend. By combining trend recognition with volatility analysis, the CBT indicator provides valuable insights into potential trend changes. It recognizes that high volatility levels often accompany strong price momentum, which can result in a formation of new trends or the continuation of existing ones. High volatility can result in more dramatic price fluctuations, which may lead to sharp trend reversals. For example, a sudden increase in volatility can cause a bullish trend to transition into a bearish one, or vice versa, as traders react to significant price swings. Volatility can also trigger breakouts in trends. Breakouts occur when the price breaks through a significant support or resistance level, indicating a potential shift in the trend. Higher volatility levels can increase the likelihood of breakouts as they indicate stronger market momentum and increased buying or selling pressure. This indicator triggers when the volatility increases, and if the price is near a key level when the indicator alerts, it might trigger a great trend. The CBT indicator consists of the zigzag pattern, super trend line, and buy and sell signals. If you like a cleaner chart, you can disable the lines and leave only these triangles. I also like to set the period to 15. As a result, the quality of the signals has changed, and although they are quite accurate, it is not recommended to use the indicator alone. As a trend filter, you can use machine learning MA with this indicator too. The only thing I would change is the fast SMA length to 20. The trading rules are simple. You sell when the price pulls back to the faster SMA and the indicator prints a sell signal. The faster SMA must be positioned below the slower SMA. You exit the trade when a green triangle appears on a chart. Another secret way to reduce fake signals is to cancel any sell signals that appear after the price breaks above the slow SMA for the first time. For example, here we had a bearish cross. The market is in a downtrend. We had some successful entries and then the momentum started to slow down. And this is where the price usually breaks above the slow SMA, indicating a range in the market. After such a breakout, you should cancel any short trades and wait for a bullish trend. Exactly the opposite rules apply for a long trade. First, wait for a bullish cross and pull back to the fast SMA. A long trade is opened when the indicator gives a buy signal. Traders, if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. TradeIQ is the only place where you can find new trading strategies and tools that actually work. Finally, we got to the last indicator. This one is called RSI Trend Lines with Breakouts by Getty. This is an advanced tool that attempts to provide traders with a visual aid for finding breakouts on the RSI. This script uses its own pivot-based system that checks for real-time swing levels and triggers a new pivot event after every dip or a new all-time high. When the RSI breaks above the trend line, a buy label is printed. A sell label is shown when the RSI breaks below the trend line. To increase the accuracy of the signals, I prefer to set the look-back range to 10. Also, repainting should be disabled. The color of the labels and lines can be adjusted as well. The RSI trend lines with breakouts can be used with multiple additional tools. Lux Algo's supply and demand visible range could be one of them. The strategy is simple yet very effective. You simply buy at demand and sell at supply. For example, you buy when price bounces off the demand level and simultaneously the RSI gives a buy signal. Target at least 1 to 2 risk-reward ratio. For short trades, wait for the price to bounce off the supply level. At the same time, the RSI must give a sell alert. We're currently looking at the price of Bitcoin on the 5-minute time frame, and as you can see, the signals are very accurate. So give these indicators a try, but be sure to backtest and forward test them before trading live. Thanks for watching this video till the end. If you want to add some more powerful indicators to your collection, check out this playlist right here.